Hello guys, today I'm back here for another video. So, a couple of months ago I made a video of my settings on the Crew 2 with the Logitech G29. And I said that I would make a video about the racing settings. And it took some time, but I finally nailed it. And I'll show it to you today. And the good thing is, a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday, I'm not entirely sure, the Crew 2 released an update with the handling. So there's a update in the handling, which is interesting. So this video is going to be for both cruising and for racing. So here I'll show you the settings. Let that load in and I'll show you the settings. So it's similar to what I previously had, but there were some adjustments, and these adjustments are useful for when you either want to just cruise or race. So here it is: force feedback, gearbox automatic. So the wheel range still kept on 570. This is where you're going to see some differences. So here I'm just going to cycle through it for you guys to just see and know. Let's kind of see here. Like, let's turn the wheel, and you guys can see that. Let's go down to the throttle. We can see that I believe there's some differences compared to the previous one, to my previous video. Here are the brake settings, and obviously for clutch there's nothing because not connected. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna show you some footage of me cruising around, and I'm just gonna show some gameplay of me doing a race for you guys to get an idea of how these settings feel like. So I'm gonna try my best. So once again, the force feedback is still very weird in this game. It's almost non-existent at low speeds, which is quite odd. So here, let's go this way. So I'm just gonna drive a little bit. See, like previous time when you drive at higher speeds, the force feedback kicks in, but during lower speeds it's non-existent, which kind of sucks. But yeah, these settings I think are good, especially with the new handling that they had recently released with their update. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to go into a race and show you how it is in a race. Quickly go pick any race right now. Okay, we're here. Which race can I do? Okay, let's see. I think I might just do probably just do this, the Central Woods West. Central Wood West. Let's just do that. Wait for that to load in. And yeah. Okay guys, so here's the race. We're just kinda in the loading screen. Takes some time. And yeah. It is. There's some footage. I'm not going to try too hard this, just to demonstrate how it would be like. And I'm kind of sitting in an awkward position while recording, but that's alright. Ooh, look at that train. Actually, I had no idea that happens. Wait. Oh, that's so nice. Reminds me of Forza's stuff. And so you guys can get an idea. Yeah, that's this is how it is. Let's wait for maybe a turn or some curves or whatnot. These are probably the best settings for this, just overall, just for the since the update, I think. Who knows, other people might have some settings of their own. But guys, I highly recommend for you to try these settings out. As for the racing, if you guys feel like 570 is too much, you can definitely decrease it, but just follow what I have. But if you want, you could decrease the rotation if you like. So instead of like 570, it could be like 540 or 480, whatever suits your needs. And yeah guys, that is that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Sorry that it took some time to post it. It's been 2 months since my last video, but I guess it's better late than never. For my next video, I think that I might do how to use the Logitech G29 with GTA 5. I'm not sure when that will come out, but when it comes out, you guys will see. And I'll try my best to explain how to use that with GTA 5. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. And see you in the next one.